I'd just like to share with you the method to get to the service screen on non-smart TV Samsung TVs, so ones that don't have internet connectivity, like the one that I showed you about A-Net Plus. So you have to do this button combination: info, menu, mute, power. Info can also be called display, but the logos look the same. Info, menu could be one of them. Mute, you'll have on all TV remotes, and then power to turn it on. So I'll just demonstrate that now. Menu, mute, power. Not sure if I made it there. There's a chance that was too late. Yeah, it was. You have to do it really quickly. My power button doesn't work very well on the TV. So I'll try that again. Info, menu, mute, power. There, as you can see, there is new options. There's option table, bracket service, so you can actually have a look in here, press enter, use the TV buttons to navigate. To apply any setting, like here, factory reset, press the right key. To go back, press the left key. But yeah, just scroll through. You can change like the inch of it and all that stuff. You really shouldn't change any of these unless you know what you're doing. But yeah, like hot plug is when you plug something into HDMI and it changes the source, so you can actually change the delay, or say if you like auto power and everything. You can also turn on hotel option by just moving it over like so, and you can turn on and off what you can actually do. To return, you press the return key. Default gamma and everything, there's all that. Shot mode you can change as well, and you can also change what actually panel it is, but I wouldn't do that in case you brick. Oops, I'm selecting things. Right, if I press return, you can also see information like my panel, port 12 1024_768, because I have a 42-inch TV. I'm really bad holding this steady. Yeah, if I go on here, you can actually change the EDID, if I can remember how. But you can also change these, like the actual inch of it. But best of all, you can actually factory reset it. If you press this one, select, then it will actually turn on and off, turn off, then on. I don't know if it does actually turn on. When you turn it on next, you will be greeted with the factory resetted version of your TV, like so. So yeah, that about wraps it up for this video. Like this video if you liked it, dislike this video if you didn't, leave a comment if you have one, subscribe for more information regarding TVs and whatever how-to tutorials, mainly electronics. Goodbye.